Most of the cases that I practice in front of Judge Cantu do involve child support, involve custody and divorce. And it's during a period of time in people's lives where they're very vengeful, they're very upset, and the way to take it out one on the other is through the children, unfortunately. And what I appreciate about Judge Cantu is the fact that he does listen to both sides of the story, because there's always two sides. And he treats both parents fairly, both parties fairly. I think it makes it much easier for a mother trying to collect child support, or a parent, I'll say, trying to collect child support, to understand the process, and the individual, the parent paying child support, making it easier to pay child support. That we need to understand that it's not about the couple that's getting separated or the parents. It is about these children. And I think that's what Judge Cantu shows a lot of compassion, is that he thinks about these children. He's one of our judges that cares in these child support cases. He cares about the children. Absolutely, that is his biggest concern. I see after a case has been, whether it's an agreement or he's made a ruling on it, he'll call the parties up to the bench and explain to them, thank them if they came to some agreement, thank them that they did that and that they did it for their children. But I see in the way he conducts business in his courtroom that some of that teaching comes out, because again, he doesn't preach to these people that are there during the hardest times of their lives. He educates them. He lets them know what is available and what to expect. You know, parties sometimes go into these courtrooms with very high expectations. I think he educates these people to realize, hey, that's not what you're going to get, because that's not what the law is. And I think a lot of that comes from his years as an educator. That they need to vote for this man because he's not only experienced in the law, he's experienced with people. He knows how to deal with people. He knows how to deal with people on a one-to-one. And not only the attorneys, I'm telling you, the parties. He knows how to come to their level and explain things to them. He's very humble about that. He doesn't have that support, that he feels like he's superior. So I would tell him, look, that's somebody that you're going to be able to understand. If you ever have to go in there, he's going to listen to you. He's going to consider what you told him. And that's the type of person you need. Lucy Williamson, and I'm supporting Judge Cantu.